Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today here we are with a ROI platform with similar like baked beans, guys. Hope you all know about baked beans. Recently launched and giving great profit, and similar like baked beans. Today we're gonna see a platform, guys. Okay, so without hesitate, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, today's video, the website, the topic name is Gold Grinder. Okay, hope you all know about baked beans, guys. Okay, baked beans by just staking your BNB. Okay, whichever the BNB you are having in your wallet, by staking your BNB, you can get rewards daily, hourly, minutes wise, guys. Okay, similar like by staking BNB you are getting rewards, but here you are getting 9% ROI daily, guys. Okay, so baked beans you are getting 8% ROI, but in this gold grinder you are getting 9% ROI, guys. Okay, so daily returns is 9%, APR is 3,285%, and the withdrawal fees is 2%, guys. Okay, so probably this is going good. Just started, this project is just started, and right now this contract address having 324 BNB, guys. Okay, so I'll copy this and I will open in my trust wallet, guys. I'll copy and I'll paste it on the DApps, paste it on my DApps and opening. I'm changing my network to Polygon. Okay, it's changed. So connecting my wallet. Yes, my wallet is connected here. Okay, so gold grinder, this is the most improved version of all the BNB miners out there. Let's go grinding gold. Okay, that's good. So here contract BNB, wallet 6.5 BNB. So miner cost 0.96. Everything is shown here. So daily return is 9%, APR is 3,285%, withdrawal is 2%, guys. Okay, so here, so sorry, I just changed the network to Polygon. It's not Polygon. You need to change for Smart Chain BNB. Okay, so my wallet is connected right now. Yes, my wallet is connected. So in my wallet 0.05 BNB is available. So if I can grind the gold, I can click on BNB or whatever I have here. I can start grinding. Okay, so my rewards will be shown here, and sell gold. Or if you want to sell, you can sell gold. If you want to again mine the rewards, again you can hire miners, again you can do. Okay, so this is my referral link. Okay, here is all the Twitter profile, Instagram, everything is available here. Okay, I am clicking Twitter. This is the Twitter page of gold grinder, guys. Okay, so right now 1,267 followers is available. The best version of all the BNB miners out there, and up to 9% daily rewards. Let's start grinding, guys. Okay, so this project is just launched one day before, guys. Okay, so it's going good, guys. Do your own research. This is also similar like baked beans. If you feel like this project is worthy, this project can make you profit, you can start investing in this. Okay, so I'll share my referral link. Okay, guys, I'll share my referral link in the description. You search all the related documents regarding this gold grinder, and then if you want to invest, you can invest with your own risk, guys. Okay, because I'm already doing this Matic programming, and I am already doing the baked beans, everything, so I'm not into this project, guys. Okay, so I checked all the details regarding this gold grinder. If you feel like, you also do your own research regarding all the projects, guys. Okay, if you feel like worthy project, then you can invest with your own risk, guys. Okay, guys, I'll share the link in the description. Just do your own research, just invest with your own research, and make profit, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in another great video.